Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the PUMA Blaze of Glory. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at the PUMA Blaze of Glory in the white peacoat colorway. We got these in the UK size 7.5, European 41, and the US 8.5. Boxing for ya. And here they are. For you. So, like the hype beast I am, I only know the PUMA disc Blaze of Glory. So it's essentially the same sneaker, but it's got a PUMA disc that you can twist. I never knew it was after this. So this is the original ones. Very clean sneaker. You got a low cut profile. We like that, and it just reminds me of like the RSX, the Sport Wild Runners as well that Puma have done in the past. Puma, again, one of those underrated sneaker companies. They do a lot of great sneakers, from the classic suedes to do your runners such as the Blaze of Glory. And like again, I want to shout out the disc, Puma disc Blaze of Glories, because those were so dope. But here we are with an original pair of the Blaze of Glory. So we'll start with the outsole. So you got a rubber outsole, you got the trinomic plate there for your stability, and you've got a lot of traction patterning right there. You got the Puma logo in the middle, also in this translucent rubber there for you guys. The midsole unit is Puma's IMEVA all around, with the trinomic as well there for your stability, there for your comfort, and more importantly, it's essentially just a foam unit. It's EVA as well, but it's Puma's one. And the upper, so the upper is made out of a wide range of materials. So you've got your textiles, you've got some bits of suedes as well right there at the toe box area, but again you can see the meshes there. You got a TPU cage, so this plastic cage all around here, so that makes that peacoat color. It's that blue, nicely padded tongue. Well, essentially it is a sock unit, so you can just slip your feet right in. There is a lacing system also with flat laces, but essentially again it's a sock unit that is supported with the TPU cage. At the back you've got the Puma logo with a heel tab right there, padded ankle support, padded at the front where the tongue should be, at the front here with the Puma logo, and it's kind of like a synthetic leather right there. Also the insole, got your foam insole with the Puma logo to round it off there for you. Not much else to say, but this is a dope runner. We love the Puma runners here at Oneupreviewz. We've done tons of them, so check out the reviews right there for you. And I'm really excited to try these on. Low cut profile. Great to know that I'm not just, well, I am a hypebeast because all I knew was the Puma discs, because that was a really dope sneaker. But I'm grateful to have a pair of the OGs in my hand to review for you guys. So roll that footage of me trying these disco. I did it again. See, I'm so sorry, because I really want a pair of those Disc of Glories, the Puma discs. Roll that footage of me trying these Blaze of Glory for you lovely people out there. comes to the fit, guys, probably get a half size up to what you usually wear from Puma. This is a UK 7.5, but maybe we should have got an 8. It does feel a bit tight around there. I'm pretty sure that's because it is just a sock unit, and maybe the socks I'm wearing are a bit too thick. However, my toes are where they need to be, but I kind of want more room. It does feel like my feet can't breathe, basically. But other than that, these are very comfortable on the underside of my feet. Looks very sleek on as well, I must add. Gives you that kind of retro early 2000s vibe when you're wearing these kind of runners. I mean, we've done the Puma RSX and it's similar vibe except the sizing. That's the only gripe I have with these sneakers. They look really cool on. Puma, you've done a great job again. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.